Good evening, everyone. So total work done is complete. अच्छा, lift वाला question. Okay. Okay, so we discussed this. Total work done. How we calculate? MDH formula. So on this formula, we discussed few questions. So 3-4 questions we discussed. Last question was lift वाला था, वो तो वैसे ही था. But we can discuss some more questions. कि what other variations can be. Sometimes you might see कि data is not sufficient to answer the question. So we'll see that also. Write down first question. Six men and 10 women. 6 men and 10 women can complete a work in 8 days. Can complete a work in 8 days. While 5 men and 9 women can complete the same work in 9 days. In 9 days. Find out in how many days 18 men can complete the same work. This we need to calculate. So what answer we are getting? The same way we are going to apply the formulas. Like total work done, these 6 men and 10 women multiplied by 8, that is equal to this, and that is equal to this into this. Then we need to get one relation. Try to see what answer we are getting. आ रहा है कुछ आंसर? On this pattern, UPSC is asking questions. Let's see how we can solve this. How we can start these questions? We will write ki total work done. This is equal to MDH. Hours is not given. So we'll start with this कि how many persons, m number of persons, 6 men plus 10 women multiplied by 8 days. This is the work. The same work is completed by 5 men plus 9 women multiplied by 9 days. And the same work is completed by 18 men multiplied by number of days. This D we need to calculate. Now the same way, we'll take this and this. We'll try to get one relation between men and women. So what relation we are getting here? So we'll multiply. So what we are getting? 48 men plus 80 women. That is equal to 45 men plus 81 women. Then 48m, 45m minus करेंगे. What we are getting? 3m is equal to this 80w will go this side. 81 minus 80, 1 women. This, correct? Okay, so we are given just one question. 6 men and 10 women, they are working in 8 days. 5 men and 9 women, they are completing the same work in 9 days. Then we need to calculate how many days these 18 men will take to complete the work. So we started this way. We applied that formula, total work done wala, MDH. So यहाँ पे this is 6 men, 10 women multiplied by, they are taking 8 days. And here 9 days, then D. This D we need to calculate. So with the help of these two terms, we got this relation कि 3 men का work is equal to 1 women का work. This relation we have got. So 3 men is equal to 1 woman or 1 woman is equal to 3 men. So here 18m into D. यहाँ पे तो कुछ करना नहीं है. 18m into D. This is the last term. We'll take out of these two any one term. Usme will put 1 woman is equal to 3 men. If we are taking this 6 men, take this term 6 men plus 10 women. So 10 women, 1 woman, 3 men, 10 women, 30 men multiplied by D is equal to this term, last term, to D. So what we are getting? 36m into 8, 18m into D. M से cancel. D की value 60. So this way also they can ask questions. Consuming बिल्कुल नहीं time लगेगा. We are writing this. Then we are taking these two terms. We are getting one relation between men and women. तीसरा step. Then last में देखेंगे what is written. 18m into D. That means we need to put this relation को will apply this way so that left hand side में भी we are getting m. So what we did, 10 women, 1 woman is equal to 3 men. So 10 women, 10 into 3, 30 men हो गया. 30 men plus 6, the same thing. यहाँ पे I have written that thing. Just 2 steps में we are getting the answer. अगर उल्टा पुट करेंगे तो उल्टा पुट करने का फायदा क्या होगा? What will be the benefit of putting 3 men is equal to 1 woman? There is no benefit. Why? We need to calculate D. And last step में M is there, 18 men. If it is asked how many days 18 women will take, then we can put 3 men is equal to 1 woman. So the way questions are asked, the same way we need to put values also. कि men का रखना है कि women का रखना है. बेसिक आइडिया ये है कि वी नीड टू कैंसिल आउट दीज m और w और चिल्ड्रन की वैल्यू, दैट वी नीड टू कैंसिल आउट, जस्ट इसी तरीके से देखना है, ठीक है। और क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं इस पे थोड़ा सा, एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन, दे आर आस्किंग simple questions. This is also a simple one. Just we need to have this idea कि how we can put values, कि क्या पूछ रहा है, what they are asking, what we need to calculate, how we can calculate. Idea समझ में आ गया? तो it is very simple. Write down one more question. Write down this way. 6 men and 10 women. Same pattern पे I am discussing one more question. 6 men and 10 women can complete a work in 8 days. चलो ये कर, while 5 men and 9 women, 5 men and 9 women can complete the same work in 9 days. 9 days. Find out in how many days, 50 women complete the same work. Find out in how many days 50 women can complete the same work. So the question is this only, आप लोग करते रहिए कि 6 men and 10 women can complete a work in 8 days. The same work is completed by 5 men and 9 women in 9 days. So we need to calculate ki how much time 50 women will take to complete the same work. फ्रैक्शन में आ रहा है? 52 करते हैं क्या? 52 पे भी नहीं आएगा? 48. हाँ, that is also okay. If fraction में answer is coming, that is also fine. हाँ, that MDH formula we discussed yesterday, उसमें ये है कि how we calculate total work done. That formula is M into D into H. M is number of persons, D is number of days, H is number of hours per day. This is the formula, MDH formula. हाँ, MDH मसाले वाला. हाँ, हाँ, कभी कभी होता है ऐसा. सो उसमें yesterday we discussed this formula and then कौन सा क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया था, देन डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस वी डिस्कस्ड, उसी में आगे सेम एंड सम अल्टरनेट डेज वाले. सो व्हाट आंसर वी आर गेटिंग? तो इसमें वही फॉर्मूला लगाना है, m नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स, बी इट मेन और वुमेन. कुछ आ रहा है आंसर? 8. टू आ रहा है 50 पे, 50 वुमेन पे, 48 पे. सो द हियर ऑल्सो द सेम अप्रोच वी कैन फॉलो. आ रहा है आंसर? कुछ नहीं आ रहा है? सी हियर, this is the formula. MDH, R is not given. So 6 men and 10 women, they are taking 8 days. The same work is done by 5 men plus 9 women in 9 days. So number of persons into days. Hours है नहीं तो hours will not put. The same work will be completed by 50 women in how many days? This D we need to calculate. This D we need to calculate. So what we did, first and second term, we'll take these two terms and we'll try to find a relationship between the men and women efficiency, how they are efficient. So we can get, isko simplify, we can simplify it. What we are getting? 48m plus 80w, 25m plus 81w. 48m, कुछ गड़बड़ किया ना, 45 होगा यहाँ पे. हाँ, so 48m, 45m, 3m is equal to 80, 81, 1 women. So we are getting this value कि 3 men is equal to 1 women. So 3 women का work is equal to 1 women का work. This we have established and we have got this relation. Fine. Then we need to calculate this D. If this W is, we can take any of these terms. उसमें if we put this relation की value so that m की place पे we are writing W. तो left hand side में all W and here right hand side में भी W. So W will get cancelled out. We can get D की value. So take this or that, both we can take. 3 men is equal to 1 W. 6 men, 2 W plus 10 W into 8 is equal to 50 W into D. So here we are getting 12 W into 8, 50 W into D. W से cancel out. D की value 12 into 8 by 50. 96 by 50 days. ऐसे ही आ रहा था, इतना ही आ रहा है. तो वी नीड टू सी कि वेयर वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट दिस आइडिया, कहाँ पे वी आर स्टक, कहाँ से आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे. सो प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल में व्हाट वी हैड सीन, उसमें था कि 5-6 men और 10 women can do this work in 8 days or 9 days respectively. This way information we are given. तो उसमें आसान था निकालना. देन men और women को कन्वर्ट करना भी आसान था. बट हियर दिस इज गिवन कि these many men, these many women can complete the work in 8 days. These many men, these many women can complete the same work in 9 days, 10 days. This way, same steps we are going to follow. Take these two steps, first two terms, and try to get a relation between men and women. Then try to see कि what they are asking. They are asking कि 50 women can do this work in how many days. So 50W into D. We need to calculate D. How we can calculate D? If we take any of these terms, उसमें only W is given. So that W get cancelled out. D की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. So for that we need to put this way कि जहां भी men है, men के equivalent how many women can be there. तो वो वैल्यू we need to put. Like यहाँ पे if we have taken this term, इसमें 6 men plus 10W. So 6 men को how we can replace with women. So we have got this relation, 3 men is equal to 1 woman. So 6 men is equal to 2 women. So 2 women plus 10 women multiplied by 8 is equal to, take last term जहां पे D है, D की वैल्यू we can get. ठीक है, got it. So first step, second step में relation, third step में we'll try to see कि here W is given, M is given और M plus W is given. जहां पे M plus W है उसको M और W में we need to convert. जहां पे only W है और only M है, that we don't need to convert. बस ये ध्यान देना, जहां पे प्लस करके है वहां पे एक को एक बनाना, इधर मेन और वेमेन. राइट डाउन वन मोर क्वेश्चन. 2 men और 3 women, 2 men और 3 women can complete the work in 96 days. Can complete the work in 96 days. Then find out that 6 men and 7 women will complete the same work in how many days? So first equation, first information कि 2 men or 3 women can complete the same work in 96 days. So 6 men and 7 women can complete the same work in how many days? This we need to calculate. So here in this question, men and women का relation is already given. कि 2 men is equal to 3 women. That is already given in this question. Proceed the same way. Total work done. Huh? Total work done is equal to MDH formula. How many men? 2 men. 2 men into how many days? 96. That is equal to 3 women multiplied by 96 days. That is equal to the same work. 6 men plus 6W bracket multiplied by D days. That D we need to calculate. और का मतलब कि 2 men can complete a work in 96 days. 3 women can complete the same work in 96 days. This way. 18 आ रहा है? I think it is the correct answer. So how we can proceed here? 2 men, total work done. 2 men multiplied by how many days? 96 is equal to 3 women multiplied by 96 is equal to 6 men plus 7 women multiplied by D. This D we need to calculate. So with the help of these two, we can get a relation, and that relation will come this only, कि 2 men is equal to 3 women. We can see this, कि 2 men 3W to 96. So 2 men is equal to 3 women. ठीक है? Then what about this last term? इसको we can convert in women or men. किसी में convert कर सकते हैं. So let's see here. 6 men, 2 men is equal to 3 women. So 6 men, 6 women, 6 men is equal to 9 women. Into D. So this is coming 16W. इतना ही आ रहा है? ठीक है. So 16W into D. So इसको we can equate with this. We cannot equate with this. Why? Because M is there. We cannot cancel out. Take this second term, 3W to 96 is equal to 16W into D. W D की वैल्यू 18. D की वैल्यू 18. अब आ रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा कि कहीं फंस रहा है मामला. M और W कैसे पुट करना है, दैट वी नीड टू सी. ये तो समझ में आ रहा है. दिस इज अंडरस्टैंडेबल, फर्स्ट स्टेप. देन सेकंड स्टेप में we are getting a relation between men and W. This is also understandable. After then we need to see ki what they are asking. Last term में men and women they are there. So how we can get D की value? We are having 1, 2, 3 equations we can say. So 6 men plus 7 women multiplied by D, and here 3W and 2M are there. So we can take any of these two pairs, like इसके साथ this pair or this pair. We can equate and we can get the value of D. But for the value of D, we need to have this way, कि this men and women should be in terms of women or men. Then only this W will get cancelled out, or men will get cancelled out. अब यहाँ पे तो कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है. We don't need to think anything. क्यों? क्योंकि we have W वाला relation also, men वाला भी relation. So what we can do? We can take, if we are taking this is equal to this. So W को we need to convert in terms of men. If we are taking this, we need to convert men को in terms of W. This we need to do. पहला variation देखा 2 men or 3 women. This way first question. Now I am asking second question this way. 2 men and 3 women can complete a work in 96 days. So 6 men and 7 women will complete the same work in how many days? Second variation. First question. This we have calculated. Then we have सेकंड क्वेश्चन, और की जगह पे आई हैव रिटन एंड, है ना, और के प्लेस पे आई हैव रिटन एंड. सो वी हैव द सेकंड क्वेश्चन कि 2 men and 3 women can complete a work in 96 days. Find out 6 men and 7 women can complete the same work in how many days. This we need to calculate. ये समझना है. And this is important topic क्योंकि एक question आ जाता है. One question they ask and that question is also very simple. ये वाला पैटर्न समझना है. इस वाले पैटर्न पे ही आता है क्वेश्चन मोस्टली. ऑप्शंस. आंसर क्या होगा? डेटा नॉट सफिशिएंट. वाई? बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट गेट रिलेशन बिटवीन मेन एंड women में. We are getting just two terms. We are just getting two terms. They can ask this way. Then we can calculate ki how many days they are taking. And if this way they are given, we cannot get relation between men and women. How efficient they are, we cannot relate. है ना? So you are saying इसमें if it is given कि इसके बाद further information. अच्छा, I mean you are saying कि some women are taking these many days to complete the work. Then also data is not sufficient. Then also data is not sufficient. We cannot get that relation. इसी में अगला variation, data not sufficient, because this way if we are writing total work done, 2 men plus 3 women multiplied by 96 is equal to 6 men plus 7 women multiplied by D. So we cannot get a relation between men and women. So that is why data is not sufficient. Now this way question is given कि 2 men plus 3 women can complete a work in 96 days. 2 men and 3 women can complete a work in 96 days. Find out how many days 4 men and 6 women can take to complete the same work. डबल हो जाएगा एवरीवन? डबल होगा कि हाफ? हाफ हो जाएगा. So this way, whenever these kind of questions, UPSC is giving these kind of questions. So we can see here कि data is not sufficient. यहाँ पे भी we can write that way कि total work done 2m plus 3 women multiplied by 96. The same work is completed by 4 men and 6 women. How many days? This is given. इसको we can write this way टेक 2 कॉमन, 2 men प्लस 3 women मल्टीप्लाइड बाई टी। यहाँ पे यही है, नहीं 2 है यहाँ पे, 2 प्लस 3 women मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 96। 2 men प्लस 3 women कैंसिल आउट, डी की वैल्यू 96 बाई। सो दिस वे दीज रिलेशंस वी नीड टू सी। अब यहाँ पे नहीं बन रहा था, 2 men and 3 women, 6 men प्लस 7 women। सो वी नीड टू सी दिस वे। यहाँ पे अगर 2 से वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग, डेटा में दिस वे ओनली इट मस्ट बी गिवन कि 3 इंटू 2, सो दैट वी कैन टेक कॉमन। यहाँ पे कॉमन लिया, दिस वे वी नीड टू सी कि इफ वी आर टेकिंग कॉमन आर वी गेटिंग ब्रैकेट में द सेम थिंग, तभी इट विल गेट कैंसल्ड आउट। इसी तरीके से क्वेश्चन पूछेगा। ये समझ में आ रहा है व्हाट वी डिड हियर? ठीक है, एक और क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं। ट्वेल्व men 12 men and 10 women, 12 men and 10 women can complete a work in 24 days. 12 men and 10 women can complete a work in 24 days. Then find out 42 men and 35 women will complete the same work in how many days? Will complete the same work in how many days? इसमें ऑप्शंस इस तरीके से हैं। कुछ आ रहा है आंसर किसी का कि डेटा नॉट सफिशिएंट आ रहा है? So are we getting data not sufficient or are we getting some answer? B. So B will be the answer. So here 3.5, 3.5. तो here यही होगा आंसर 48/7। बिल्कुल आ जाएगा, वैसे भी आ जाएगा लाइक दिस वे। 12 men 10 women 24 days, that is equal to 42 men plus 35 women, how many days? अब कॉमन क्या लेंगे? 6 men plus 5 women 24, दैट इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे कॉमन क्या लेंगे? 7, 6 men प्लस 5 women इंटू टी। So this will get cancelled out. So D की वैल्यू 48 बाई दिस, ऐसे ही निकाला होगा, है ना? क्लियर? So this way UPSC is asking questions. Write down one question which was asked in previous 22 में it was asked. Write down this. Sorry, not 23 में नहीं, 22 में 12 men, 24 men. So this is understandable. Everyone understood this. So ऐसे डेटा नॉट सफिशिएंट नहीं डालना है कहीं पे, हमें चेक करना है कि है ना, चेक करना है कि आर वी गेटिंग समथिंग कॉमन आउट ऑफ इट, कैन वी कैंसल आउट, आ जाएगा आंसर. 24 men and 12 women, 24 men and 12 women can do a piece of work, can do a piece of work in 30 days, can do a piece of work in 30 days, full stop. Then in how many days, then in how many days 12 men and 24 women can complete the same work, can complete the same work. ऑप्शन इस तरीके से है, 30 days, 30 days, more than 30 days, less than or more than 30 days. D, data not sufficient. So option A, 30 days, more than 30 days, less than or more than 30 days. A, कैसे? But if it can be same thing, अगर दोनों की एफिशिएंसी सेम हो तो फिर कैसे कह सकते हैं नॉट सफिशिएंट? क्या आ रहा है आपका आंसर? नॉट सफिशिएंट. So if you are applying this concept, men is equal to women, will get every time incorrect answers. That is why we need to check. We need to check. हाँ, ऐसा करके देखने से लगता है ना कि 12 इंटू टू 24, 12 इंटू टू 20, सही है. बट कैसे वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग हियर? 12, 24 बाई टू 12. सो हियर बाई टू 6 आना चाहिए. इफ इट इज 6, if 6 women रहता then we can calculate and get the answer. But option में greater than 30 days, 30 days, less than or more than 30 days, इसमें से कोई ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता. सारा ही तो इसने कवर कर लिया. 30 days, more than 30 days. So this option में less than or more than 30 days, all the numbers are coming. So this can be the answer, है ना? This can be the answer, like less than or more than 30 days. So it is having all the values. It is having all the values. कहीं तो आएगा, कुछ तो आएगा. So what do you think now? What can be the answer? It is possibility. Yes, correct. But in this option, 30 is missing. If they have written this way, ki less than or more than or equal to 30 days, then this is the answer. But 30 is not here. So we'll say data is not sufficient. Data is not sufficient. जिसको समझ भी आया होगा, अगर ये ऑप्शन देखा होगा, that student might think यार this is the answer. कि इसमें तो all the values are coming, but we need to think 30. The way you told me कि 30 is not there. So how we can be so sure कि this is the final answer? The final answer is this: data is not sufficient. This is our answer. What value it can take then? Like how many days may they are going to complete? They will take some days. It is saying it is less than 30. Less than 30, any value it can take. More than 30, any value it can take. Or 30. Number system, that like number system के सारे values, it is there. It is all the numbers are covered here. So somewhere it will lie. That is the possibility. तो ये तो possibility दिया हुआ है. But इस possibility में we don't have 30. 30 might be the answer. That can be answer. हो सकता है ऐसा. So we don't have. Sorry. One man is, हाँ बिल्कुल. But after substituting that 30, है ना, with the help of this given data, we cannot say answer is 30. Answer is 30. So this way option, इसीलिए ये option दिया हुआ है. We are given this data only, this information, and they are asking how many days they will take. We don't have any relation between men and women, so we cannot get the value. Data is not sufficient. But if we see this option, that is why very smartly 30 is not given in this option, क्योंकि 30 पे ही आ जा रहा है ना. So answer is data not sufficient. Data is not sufficient. So this way very small questions, but we need to understand कि how we are calculating. तो सारा कुछ समझा हमने कि what is this MDH formula and different variations. When data is not sufficient, when data is sufficient, so how we can calculate, we also understood this. So this topic is over. MDH wala topic is over. Then we can have a brief discussion on pipes and tanks. ये लिखा रहता systems, but this is the subtopic of time and work only. The same way we are going to calculate the things. Pipes and cisterns. This is basically tank. In every notebook it is written pipes and cisterns, but in any question we cannot see this cisterns wala word. Every time we see tanks. Just a second. So here pipes and cisterns mein what we do, pipes are given, one tank is given, 1 2 3 tanks they can provide. Pipes like P1, P2, P3, this way pipes are given, and these pipes are used to fill this tank or used to empty this tank. दो काम है पाइप का, या तो empty करेंगे या तो fill करना है उसको. So they provide this way information कि if pipe P1 is filling this tank in 5 hours, pipe P2 is filling the same tank in 10 hours, then how much time P1 and P2 will take to fill this tank? if they are working together. The same concept. Ki two men, this pipe P1 is filling the tank in 5 hours. Pipe P2 is filling the same tank in 10 hours. If both the pipes are open together, how much time they will take to fill this tank? Simple है ये. The same way we are going to approach 5 and 10 ka LCM. That means 10 units is the capacity of the tank. Is the capacity of the tank. Then we'll calculate what will be the efficiency of P1 and P2. 5, 10. So per days में निकाल रहे थे उधर, but here per hours. So 10 by 5, 2 units per hour. Here 1 unit per hour. So if they both are opened for 1 hour, so they will be filling 3 units. So total 10 units है. So they will take what time? 10 by 3 hours. इतना ही लेगा. इतना ही आ रहा है ना. इस तरीके से विल कैलकुलेट. इसमें वन मोर वेरिएशन दे आर आस्किंग दिस वे, like P1 and P2, that is filling the tank, but another pipe P3 is there that is emptying the tank. So earlier we have seen ki work done, but now we are going to see work is undone. Work is undone. Minus sign will come. So that we need to understand. Write down this question. ये समझ में आ रहा है. सेम तरीके से ही we need to proceed. ये तो ऐसे कर लिया ना. 3 units 1 hour में, 1 unit 1 by 3, 10 units 10 by 3. अच्छा, एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन और लिख लेते हैं, देन विल सी. देयर आर 2 pipes P1 and P2. They can fill the tank. They can fill the tank in 10 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. 10 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. Then calculate how much then calculate how much time they will take to fill the tank when they are opened together. When they are opened together to fill the tank. Very simple. How much time we are getting here? 30. 10, 15, 30, 3 and 2, 5 and 5 into 6, 30. That means answer is 6 minutes. ये आ रहा है सबको? 6 minutes आ रहा है? The same way we have proceeded, जैसे earlier कर रहे थे. 10, 15 का LCM we have taken, that is 30. So we'll say कि 30 units is the capacity of the tank. 30 units is the capacity of the tank. Then we'll see कि what are the efficiency of P1 and P2. 10, 15, 3, 2. So 1 minute में, if they are opened together, P1 and P2 both are working, so how many units they will fill? 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5. So 5 units they are filling in 1 minute. So 1 unit 1/5 minute. Total units we have assumed 30. 30 units. 30 into 1/5. What we are getting? 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Simple है? Simple concept. Now write down this. When one pipe is opened to empty the tank. अच्छा, ठीक है. There are two pipes, P1 and P2. P1 can fill the tank. P1 can fill the tank in 10 minutes. P1 can fill the tank in 10 minutes, while P2 can empty the tank in 30 minutes. While P2 can empty the tank in 30 minutes. Then calculate how much time they will take to fill the tank. If opened together, how much time they will take to fill the tank or empty the tank. So second pipe is emptying the tank. So P2 is not doing anything. P2 is undoing the work. कितना आएगा इसमें? कितना है? 15. Correct. See here, if work is undone, so we need to put minus sign. कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें, बस माइनस रख देना है. See here, the same steps we are going to follow, like 10 minutes, 30 minutes. What will be the LCM? 30 will say कि total capacity of the tank 30 units. 30 units is the capacity of the tank. Then efficiency of P1 and P2 3 1. If they are open together, P1 is doing the work, P2 is undoing the work. So 1 minute में how many units will be filled? P1 will fill 3 units. At the same time, P2 will empty 1 unit. It is 2. It is 2 units. So per minute, 2 units filled in 1 minute. So 1 unit 1/2. Total capacity we have assumed 30. 30 into 1/2, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. बहुत ही सिंपल है, कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें, बस माइनस लगाना है. बस माइनस लगाना है. नहीं नहीं, उसमें लिखोगे, मतलब उसमें ऑप्शन में रहेगा ऐसे 15 minutes to fill, 15 minutes to empty. So this is 15 minutes to fill the tank. If they both are working together, it cannot be emptied. If both are working together, both are open together, this tank cannot be emptied, क्योंकि per minute 2 units plus 2 units getting filled. क्या चीज? किसमें? हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल. दैट मीन्स सेम पाइप से वी आर फिलिंग द टैंक, सेम पाइप से वी आर एम्पटिंग द टैंक. दोनों की कैपेसिटी सेम होगी, है ना. सेम दो पाइप लगा दिया ऐसे तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं, वो खाली ही रहेगा. पानी आएगा निकल जाएगा, आएगा निकल जाएगा. सो एवरी टाइम यू विल सी कि टैंक इज एम्प्टी. ऐसा भी एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं. सो विल डू दैट क्वेश्चन. राइट डाउन दिस. अच्छा बिफोर दैट वन, इसमें भी अल्टरनेट वाला क्वेश्चन ही कर लेते हैं. राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. Pipe P1 can fill the tank. Pipe P1 can fill the tank in 8 hours. Pipe P1 can fill a tank in 8 hours. Full stop. Pipe P1, pipe P1 is opened at 3 p.m. Pipe P1 is opened at 3 p.m. and after every hour, another pipe of same capacity or efficiency is also opened along with the previous ones. To fill the tank. Full stop. Find out at what time the tank will be completely filled. At what time the tank will be completely filled. So you understood the question? What is happening? कि 3 p.m. पे pipe P1 is opened, 7 p.m. आ रहा है. So after 1 hour, what is going to happen? Like 3 p.m. पे pipe P1 is opened. Then 4 p.m. P1 is opened. Another pipe P1, the same capacity, that will also opened. Then pipe PM, third pipe is also opened. Then 6 p.m. Four pipes are opened, same capacity के. एक एक ऐड हो रही है. One extra is getting added. Along with the previous ones. After every hour. So try to understand this way. So every hour we need to calculate कि what units we are working. What units like pipe P1 is working. Then second hour में, third hour में, fourth hour में, fifth hour में. So first we need to calculate कि what is the like capacity of this tank. Like 8 hours, only one pipe, one capacity, one efficiency, 8 hours. So we can assume कि tank की capacity is 8 units. ये तो assume कर सकते हैं 8 units. then what will be the efficiency of pipe P1? 1 unit per hour. 1 unit per hour. So 3 pm पे pipe P1 is opened. So 3 to 4, only 1 unit work is done here. 1 unit work. Then 4 pm पे another pipe is also opened. Now 2 pipes are working. 1 pipe, 1 hour में 1 unit, 2 pipe, 4 pm to 5 pm, 2 unit. Then 5 pm पे 3 pipes are opened. So here 3 units. 3 units. So total 1, 2, 3, 3, 6. We are having kitna? 8 units. 6 pm पे what will happen? 4 pipes will be opened. And we need kitna? Total capacity we have already assumed. 8 units. How this 8 unit came? Only one pipe is there, one capacity. There are so many pipes, but they are having the same capacity. And that is of 8 hours. So we can assume कि total capacity 8 hours. So pipe P1 है. It is taking 8 hours. Efficiency 1 unit per hour. That is why I am writing 1 unit per hour. 3 to 4, 1 hour, 1 unit. 4 pm to 5 pm, 2 pipes. So 2 unit. 5 pm to 6 pm, 3 pipes, 3 units. 6 pm to 7 pm, 4 pipes. Every hour, one more pipe is opened. So यहाँ पे 4 units will be worked. But 1, 2, 3 plus 3 यहाँ तक at 6 pm पे 6 units और already completed. कितना चाहिए? 2 units. अब 4 pipes. So in this 1 hour, 4 units will be completed. But we need only 2 units. So 4 units in 1 hour. So 2 units in half hour, half an hour. So 6 pm में 30 hours we can add. We'll say कि 6:30 pm पे the tank will be completely filled. ठीक है? कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया कहीं पे? So starting से we need to check. यहाँ पे ये हटाता हूँ. फिर से देखो. समझ में आ रहा है? See here. This is the question. ये तो है हमारा क्वेश्चन. अब देखो. Again. We have pipe P1. It is taking 8 hours to complete or fill the tank. So we can say capacity is कितना है? 8 units. The capacity of the tank is 8 units. That is clear? क्योंकि like P1, P2, P3, if there are so many pipes, they are taking different times to complete the work. Then we were taking LCMs. But here we are having only one pipe. There are so many pipes, but efficiency is same. So we can say that they all are taking 8 units, 8 hours. 8 का LCM 8 ही है. So that is why we have taken LCM 8 units. P1 8 hours. तो efficiency कितनी हो गई? 1 unit per hour. Now we can understand this way कि 3 pm पे pipe P1 is opened. So till 4 pm 1 hour. 1 hour में 1 pipe is opened. So 1 unit work it will be doing, pipe P1. At 4 pm पे along with pipe P1 another pipe of the same capacity is also opened, because it is given in the question after every hour one more pipe is opened. So now 4 pm onwards till 5 pm these 2 pipes will be filling the tank. तो 2 pipes 1 hour में कितना fill करेंगे? 1 pipe 1 unit 1 hour में. two pipe, 2 unit. After this 5 p.m., we have another pipe which is opened. There are three pipes. So 5 to 6, three pipes are working. So total work done will be 3 units. After 6 p.m., one more pipe will be opened. So four pipes are working. And we have already assumed कि total units of the tank, total capacity of the tank is 8 units. So how many units are completed? 1, 2, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 units are completed till 6 p.m. Till 6 p.m. 6 units are completed till 6 p.m. 6 units completed. We need extra 2 units only. But after 6 p.m. 4 pipes are working. So if 7 p.m. tak they are working, they will be completing 4 units in 1 hour. But we need only 2 units. Because tank की capacity तो 80 unit है ना. If we are adding 4, so it is like 10 units. But tank की capacity है 8 unit. So 6 p.m. till 7 p.m. we don't need to go. Here we can see कि 4 units is completed in this stretch 1 hour में. So we only need 2 units. So it will take 1 by 2 hour. 1 by 2 hour. So 6 p.m. के बाद we need half an hour. That means 6:30 p.m. पे the tank will be completely filled. Tank will be completely filled. ठीक है. इसको फिर से इस तरीके से देखना कि what we are doing कि पाइप P1 माइनस वाला भी करवा रहे हैं. Write down this. जैसे whenever you feel कि I'm not able to get this thing, get this concept, so try to understand from the beginning and see where you are stuck. वहां पे पूछो. मतलब पूरा जैसे एक्सप्लेन किया, इसमें भी बीच में जैसे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, स्टॉप मी की यहीं पे रुकना है, ये बताओ कैसे हो रहा है. ओके, राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. हाँ हाँ, टेक योर टाइम. अच्छा, आई एम नॉट कमिंग इन द स्क्रीन, ऐसा है क्या? ओके. ठीक है. डन. ओके, राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. पाइप P1 pipe P1 and P2 can fill a tank. Pipe P1 and P2 can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. Whereas P3 P3 can empty the same tank in 6 minutes, whereas P3 can empty the tank in 6 minutes. In 6 minutes. Full stop. P1 and P2 are opened for first 5 minutes. For first 5 minutes. After that, P3 is also opened. After that, P3 is also opened. Find out in how much time the tank will be completely filled. How much time? Find out in how much time the tank will be completely filled or emptied. So understood the question? लिख लिया सबने everyone? So tank will be filled or emptied at the end. सब minutes में. ऑप्शंस में भी ऐसे कि 15 मिनट्स टू एम्प्टी, 45 मिनट्स टू गेट फिल्ड, 40 मिनट्स टू गेट एम्प्टीड, 30 minutes to get filled. It will get emptied or filled completely. Emptied. So what answer? 50 कि 45? हाँ 50 आ रहा है, 30 minutes filled, ये आंसर आ रहा है। 50 आएगा, देखो, just see here. So we have pipe P1, P2 and P3, and they are filling in 12 and 15 minutes, and this pipe P3 is emptying the tank in 6 minutes. So what LCM will be of these? 12, 15 and 6, 60 units, 60 आ जाएगा. So we can say कि tank की capacity we have 60 units. ये है. Then we have 3 pipes, efficiency 12, 15, 6, 5, 4, 10. This is the efficiency of these pipes P1, P2, P3. 5 units per minute, 4 units per minute. This 10 units per minute, it is emptying. This is, ये होना चाहिए mind में. So what happens here? Pipe P1 and P2, they are opened for first 5 minutes. So first 5 minutes में only 2 pipes are opened. So how many units they are going to fill? P1 and P2. If they are opened for 1 minute, they will be filling 5 plus 4, 9 units. So for 5 minutes, they will be filling 45 units. So in this tank, we have 45 units water. 45 units water is there. Then what happens after this? All the 3 pipes are opened. So 1 minute में what work they will do? How many units? 5 plus 4 minus 10. It is coming -1. It is coming -1. Correct? If all the 3 pipes are opened, so 1 unit will go out. अगर टंकी में पानी नहीं है तो मोटर उड़ जाएगा. But 1 unit will go out if all the 3 pipes are opened together. -1 it is coming. So 1 minute में, here we can see कि 1, we can write this way कि 1 unit is going out in 1 minute. Simple meaning of this only. -1 it is coming, that means 1 unit is going out. Every minute, if all the 3 pipes are opened, 1 unit is going out. So 1 unit is going out in 1 minute. How many units we have in the tank? 45. Tank की capacity है 60 unit का, but we don't have 60 unit water in there. We have only 45 unit water. So 45 unit will go out in 45 minutes. Every minute 1 unit will go out. 1 unit में, I mean 1 minute में 1 unit will go out. So every minute 5 unit, 4 unit is coming, but 10 unit is going out. So effectively every minute 1 unit is going out. This way we can understand. So 45 units will go out in 45 minutes. So 45 minutes में tank will get emptied. So total time initially 5 minutes plus 45 minutes, that is 50 minutes. This 5 for first 5 minutes. P1 and P2 were opened for the first 5 minutes. After then 44 more minutes were taken. So total 50 minutes required. Yes, Abhishek, 50 minutes. In 50 minutes, the tank will get emptied. हाँ हाँ, कहाँ पे? ये वाला. So till here everything is fine. After then, so here what we are doing, कि 45 unit was there. 45 units is going out in 45 minutes. But ये 45 units fill होने में कितना time लगा है? 5 minutes. So total time is asked. If they are asking this way, कि how much time it will take to fill or empty the tank after P3 is opened, then 45 minutes. क्वेश्चन ऐसा ही था. हाँ, इसमें पूछ रहा है टोटल टाइम व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड. सो टोटल टाइम इज लाइक 50 minutes. सो हियर वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस माइनस वाली थिंग, एंड माइनस वाली थिंग में लाइक दिस वी अंडरस्टूड कि पाइप P1 and P2 are opened for first 5 minutes. So how many units they are going to fill? P1 and P2, if they are open together for 1 minute, they will be filling 5 plus 4, 9 units, 1 minute. For 5 minutes they were opened. तो 5 minutes में 5 into 9, 45 units they will fill. So 45 units का work is done. After then, pipe P3 is also opened. So 6th minute onwards, all the 3 pipes are opened. So 1 minute में what work they will do? 5 plus 4 minus 10, because P3 is emptying the tank. तो ये आ गया -1. If it is -1, that means every minute 1 unit is going out. 1 unit is going out. तो 1 unit is going out. So total unit कितना है यहाँ पे हमारा? 45 units. यहाँ पे we don't need to assume कि 60 units लेके चलना है. Work done is only 45 units in initial 5 minutes. So 1 unit is going out in 1 minute. So these 45 units, 45 minutes में सारे बाहर चले जाएंगे and the tank will be emptied. So total time, this 45 and this initial 5, total 50 minutes. तो empty वाले में इस तरीके का कॉन्सेप्ट देखें टास्क. ठीक है, अच्छा थोड़ी देर का ब्रेक लेते हैं, देन विल स्टार्ट ओवर हाकी. So we can start. अच्छा, one more question we'll do on this total work done वाले पे. Write down this question. After then one more question we'll do alternate वाला तो one we did, one more question we'll do. So this is understood by everyone. इसके बाद write down one question. A work is completed by x plus 8 men. X plus 8 men in x plus 10 days. In x plus 10 days. If the same work is completed by x minus 10 men, x minus 10 men in x plus 40 days. In x plus 40 days. Full stop. Find out the value of x. Find out the value of x. Options are this way: 40, 60, 50 and 25. 50 and 25. X plus 8 men can complete a work in x plus 10 days. The same work is completed by x minus 10 men in x plus 40 days. Then what is the value of x? This we need to calculate. What आ रहा है? Any other answer? यही आ रहा है 40. The same thing we are going to apply here. Total work done. Total work done, x plus 8 men is equal to multiplied by x plus 10 days. That is equal to x minus 10 m multiplied by x plus 40. यही करना है, इक्वेट करना है, विल गेट द x की वैल्यू. आर वी गेटिंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और ऐसे ही सिंपल आ रहा है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन? यस, एक्स स्क्वायर दैट विल गेट कैंसिल्ड आउट. सो व्हाट आंसर वी आर गेटिंग? 40, 50, 60. एक आंसर तो आ गया 40. The same way we are going to approach. वैसे ही करना है. See here, x plus 8 men, they are taking x plus 10 days. md, this is the number of person, this is number of days, mdh. This is equal to number of persons x minus 10 and number of days x plus 40. We have only these two things. We need to calculate x key value. So simplify, we can simplify it. M will get cancelled out. We'll get x plus 8, x plus 10, x minus 10, x plus 40. This we need to simplify. We can get the value of x. If we simplify, so what we are getting? X square plus 10x plus 8x plus 80. That is equal to x square plus 40x minus 10x minus 400. So x square will get cancelled out. Then we are getting 10x plus 8x, 18x plus 80, that is equal to 40 minus 10, 30x minus 400. So this 18x will go this side, to 30 minus 18, 12x, that is equal to, this will come this side, 480. X की value 40. And this is our answer. Simple है, simple था, इसमें कुछ करना नहीं था, just two terms, we just need to equate them, m will get cancelled out, x की value we can get. Simple है. Then we can see again pipes and systems में the last variation, the last question. This everyone has written. आगे बढ़े. Clear? Okay, write down this question. A tank has two pipes, A and B, attached to it. A tank has two pipes, A and B, attached to it. Full stop. A can fill the tank in 20 minutes. A can fill the tank in 20 minutes. And B can empty the tank. B can empty the tank in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes. Full stop. If both A and B, if both A and B are opened alternatively for 1 minute each. For 1 minute each. How long will it take to fill the tank? How long will it take to fill the tank? Options are this way. So both A and B are opened alternatively. Like for the first minute, A is opened. Second minute, B is opened. Third minute, again A. This way it will go on. The same way like A and B are working on alternate days. So this way, कितना आएगा आंसर? 120. Try to remember that frog jumping wala example. Like a frog is jumping it is covering like 30 centimeter, and at the same time it is slipping down by 15 centimeter after every jump. So here also work is done and work is undone. So answer can come differently. That this way. कि for the first minute A is opened, so it will fill some units. Second minute पे B will be opened. Then third minute पे again A. The same way work वाला जो concept था कि A and B they are working on alternate days. So here they are working on alternate minutes. 120 I'm getting answer also 119. 120, 119, two answers. Everyone 120? The answer is not 120. Why? See here, we can take LCM, 20, 30 का LCM, 60. So we'll say कि 60 units is the capacity of the tank. Then what will be the efficiency of these two? Pipe A and B, 20, 30, 3, 2. 3 units, 2 units, this way. So for the first minute, A is working, so A will fill 3 units. Second minute, B will be working, it will empty 2 units. So for these 2 minutes, effective work is 1 unit. ये तो सही है इतना, है ना? ठीक है. So in these 2 minutes, total work done is 1 unit. And tank की capacity है 60. So it seems कि 120 minutes में it is getting filled. But in these kind of questions, first time we'll see this way. It may happen कि 120 minutes पे it is completely filled. But it can also happen before 120 minutes, it is completely filled. This can also be a case. So in these kind of questions, what we can do? So if A is working, suppose last minute पे A is working. So A will fill the tank. Last minute पे A will fill the tank. And it will fill 3 units. It will fill 3 units. अब it will fill 3 units last minute पे. तो last वाला if we remove, like last minute में 3 units it is filling, this we are assuming, ये तो होगा ही, this will happen last minute में. If we are assuming कि A is working, it is filling 3 minutes, 3 units. So total we have 60 units. 60 में से 3 if we subtract, तो we are left with 57 units. होगा ना ये? This you understood? कि last minute में if A is working, it will fill 3 units. Total unit 60 है. तो if we remove this 1 minute last वाला work, so we are having 57 total units. So these 57 units will be completed or filled in how many minutes? 1 unit 2 minutes में 57 units. (114 minutes में. So we can say this way कि 114 minutes में 57 units are completely filled. And we have remaining units कितना? 3. 115th minutes में 15th minute में what will happen? A will be working. It will fill 3 units. Total 60 units. So we can say कि 115 minutes में the tank will be completely filled. A से start हो रहा है ना? And A is who is working here. A is filling the tank ना? अब ऐसे आगे बढ़ते चलो. अगर मान लो 115th minute पे tank is filled 60 units. 116th minute पे what will happen? B will be working. It will be removing 2 units. कितना हो गया? 58. फिर 58 हो गया. 17th minute पे A will be working. कितना हो गया? 61. 118th B will be working. कितना हटाएगा? 59. 19th A will be working. 62. 120 पे B will be working. Again 60. This is also correct. First, when the first time the tank gets filled. हाँ 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 मैं बता रहा हूँ. So इसमें what we did कि this is तो clear. We have 60 units total capacity. Then we have A and B की efficiency also we have calculated. तो first minute में A is working 3 units. It is going to fill. Second minute में B is working. It will remove 2 units. It will remove 2 units. So in these kind of questions, whenever they are asking where work is done, work is undone. The same way frog वाले questions में क्या था कि frog was jumping 30 centimeter. Work undone was 15 centimeter. Frog jump वाला जो example था उसमें work done and work undone was there. So effective jump कितनी थी उसकी? 15 centimeter की. So what we did कि when this frog is at the top वो फिर फिसलेगा नहीं. So here also when the tank is completely full it will not be emptied. So जो tank full कर रहा है वो देखेगा ऐसे ना कि tank full हो गया, will stop there. Will stop there. Tank is completely full, will stop the motor and will say कि tank full हो गया. So that time we need to calculate. So when tank is completely full, will not count in that series कि ये फिर से empty करेगा अगले मिनट में 2 unit. So whenever these kind of questions are coming, alternate days वाला work done, work undone. So what we can do? 1 minute में whatever the वर्क डन, और 1 जंप, 1 डे, 1 आवर में वट एवर द वर्क डन इज देयर, टोटल वर्क में से वी कैन सब्सट्रैक्ट दैट वर्क डन। वर्क डन को सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है 57, क्योंकि इट मे हैपन कि लास्ट टाइम पे काम हो रहा है एंड द वर्क इज completed. The work is completed. If the work is completed, we need to stop here and we'll see कि yes, work is completed. Now we can go home. So here also total unit 60 है. 1 minute में work done is 3 units. तो first we'll subtract that. 60 में से 3 subtract किया. We'll look for कि 57 units. How much time it will take. 57 units fill करने में how much time will be taken. तो 57 units को full करने में we are taking 114 minutes. 114 minutes में 57 unit is filled. So after this 115th minute पे what will happen? A will work and A will work 3 units. So 57 plus 3, 60. The tank is full. If the tank is full, we'll stop here and we'll say कि 115 minute is the आंसर। सेम वे फ्रॉग जंप वाले केस में क्या किया था हमने, टोटल हाइट कुछ थी 450 सेंटीमीटर्स, उसमें से फर्स्टली वी हैव सब्सट्रैक्टेड द जंप 45 सेंटीमीटर या जो भी थी 30 सेंटीमीटर, उसको वी हैव सब्सट्रैक्टेड कि लास्ट जंप में वो फिसलेगा नहीं। द सेम वे लास्ट जंप में व्हेन this pipe A is filling the tank, when tank is filled, will not open the next pipe to empty the water, to empty the tank. So this way we can understand whenever these kind of questions are coming, pipes and systems, frog jump, cockroach jump, monkey jump. Yes, 57. अच्छा ये वाला, ओके 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 ओके। अच्छा इसमें तो देखो what we did here, फर्स्ट मिनट में 3 units work done, सेकेंड मिनट में B is opened 2 units work undone. So in these 2 minutes में फर्स्ट मिनट सेकेंड मिनट मिला के टाइम कितना हुआ 2 minutes. In these 2 minutes 1 unit is filled. 1 unit is filled. So 1 unit is filled in 2 minutes. 57 units will be filled in 57 into 2, 114. क्या एक क्या कर रहे हैं 60 minus 3, तो सी इसमें हम बेवकूफ नहीं दिखेंगे कि अगर हम 120 मिनट्स ले रहे हैं, अगर ये 115 मिनट्स में ही भर जा रहा है। द सेम सी द क्वेश्चन इज फ्रेम्ड दिस वे टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस आइडिया कि व्हेन द टैंक इज कंप्लीटली फिल्ड, हिडन इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें है कि व्हेन द टैंक इज कंप्लीटली फिल्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, for the first time when tank is completely filled. So how we can know this? इसमें 2 pipes हैं, one pipe is doing the work, another pipe is undoing the work. So whenever we reach some point, so like इतना भर गया 57 यूनिट भर गया। So 57 के बाद नेक्स्ट मिनट में if A is opened, so A will fill completely. 60 पे वो तो पहुंचेगा। कोई भी टाइम ले लो, किसी भी तरीके का क्वेश्चन ले लो, इफ दिस वे क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड, उसमें ये तो होगा ही, 1 pipe is doing the work, 1 pipe is undoing the work. Take any question like 5 units, 3 units. Take any question like 5 units, A की कैपेसिटी है, B की कैपेसिटी है 3 units, like कि B is emptying the tank every minute 3 units, correct? Then also we need to subtract this work done वाला part, क्योंकि लास्ट मिनट में हम ऐसे जा रहे हैं, 2 2 का पेयर लेके चल रहे हैं, 2 2 का पेयर, ए इज फिलिंग द टैंक, बी इज अनफिलिंग द टैंक। सो लास्ट मिनट में जब ए ओपन होगा तो 5 वाला जंप तो लेगा ना, 5 यूनिट्स दैट विल फिल। तो हमने क्या किया कि 60 यूनिट्स आ रहा है, 120 यूनिट्स आ रहा है, 150 यूनिट्स आ रहा है, 150 में से 5 वी नीड टू सब्सट्रैक्ट। हमेशा यही करना है। क्यों करना है? क्योंकि तभी सबसे पहले वी कैन फिल द टैंक। टोटल यूनिट ऑफ वर्क्स, टोटल यूनिट ऑफ वर्क और टोटल हाइट, मतलब जो भी है, जो भी यूनिट है, उसमें से वी नीड टू सब्सट्रैक्ट फर्स्ट हु इज डूइंग द वर्क, व्हाट इज डन। लाइक मंकी जंप वाले में या फ्रॉग जंप वाले में यही था क्वेश्चन, उसमें वी हैड सब्सट्रैक्टेड दैट। क्योंकि वहां पे समझ में इसलिए आ गया था क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम इफ दैट मंकी और दैट फ्रॉग इज जंपिंग, if that is reaching at the top, that time it will not slip because that is out of the well. The same way इसमें भी देखना है, पानी अगर ऊपर भर गया तो फिर वो खाली नहीं होगा, खाली हो सकता है बट ऐसा करेगा कौन, ऐसा करेगा कौन। सो एवरी टाइम वर्क डन जितना भी है उसको वी नीड टू सब्सट्रैक्ट, वर्क डन को सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है। तो यहां पे आप फिर से इस क्वेश्चन को देखो, इस क्वेश्चन को फिर से देखो। फर्स्ट मिनट में ए इज डूइंग फिलिंग 3 यूनिट्स, सेकेंड मिनट में बी इज ओपेंड, 2 यूनिट्स इज गोइंग आउट। सो इन दीज 2 मिनट्स में 1 यूनिट फिल होगा, 3 यूनिट भरा था, 2 यूनिट इज गोइंग आउट, सो इफेक्टिवली 1 यूनिट इज लेफ्ट इन द टैंक। सो फर्स्ट 2 मिनट में 1 यूनिट, सेकेंड 2 मिनट में अगेन 1 यूनिट विल बी देयर, फिर थर्ड 2 मिनट्स में अगेन 1 यूनिट। सो दिस वे वी नीड टू चेक टिल 57 यूनिट्स, 57 यूनिट्स तक वी नीड टू चेक। तो 57 यूनिट्स तक वी आर गेटिंग की इट इज टेकिंग 114 मिनट्स। 114 मिनट्स पे 157 यूनिट इज filled. So after 114 A will get opened और A भरेगा 3 यूनिट and that time the tank is completely filled. Tank is completely filled. Correct? तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन आएगा ऐसा, उसमें एफिशिएंसी कैन बी डिफरेंट, 3 यूनिट की जगह पे 5 यूनिट इज कमिंग। तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ए वाली, द मैन, द पाइप हु इज वर्किंग, हु इज वर्किंग, हु इज नॉट वर्किंग, दैट इज अनडूइंग द वर्क, उससे मतलब नहीं है। विल कैलकुलेट टोटल यूनिट्स, टोटल यूनिट में से वी आर गोइंग टू सब्सट्रैक्ट द वर्क डन। 60 में से अगर 5 है तो 5 सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 3 है तो 3 सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, देन विल सी कि हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स, आई मीन दीज मेनी यूनिट्स आर कंप्लीटेड इन हाउ मेनी मिनट्स। तो यहां जैसे आया 114 मिनट्स, so we'll say कि 115 minute पे what will happen, A will get opened, if A will get opened A will be doing 3 units, तो 57 plus 3 60 units, tank is completely full। we'll say कि total time taken is 115 minute। so this question is very important। ठीक है, करेक्ट, ओके ओके। तो ये क्लियर है, फिर ऐसे करना है और क्यों करना है ये भी हमने समझने की कोशिश करी। विल विल फील कि वी आर स्टूपिड्स कि 115 में इट इज गेटिंग फिल्ड, सो व्हाई वी आर गोइंग फॉर फर्दर 5 मिनट्स। बट ये भी सही है, इफ क्वेश्चन में ऐसा पूछा है कि सेकंड टाइम, थर्ड टाइम या फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं लिखा है, बट हाँ 120, हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बट विल गो फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम। विल गो फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम। ठीक है। क्या हुआ? एक वेरिएशन और है, लास्ट। लास्ट वेरिएशन, उसके बाद टाइम स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस। हाँ, रिलेटिव स्पीड वाला कॉन्सेप्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। We need to visualize these things कि how relative speed we are going to measure, that we are going to check। वो देखेंगे कि कैसे relative speed हमारी है। ओके। ए वाले का माइनस करना है। हाँ, द सेम वे जैसे फ्रॉग जंप वाला क्वेश्चन था। नहीं, लास्ट नहीं, इनिशियल क्लासेस में आई हैव सॉल्व दैट नंबर सिस्टम में, दैट फ्रॉग जंप वाला क्वेश्चन। कि एवरी जंप, हाँ, की इन एवरी जंप दैट फ्रॉग इज जंपिंग लाइक 45 सेंटीमीटर, एंड आफ्टर दैट जंप दैट फ्रॉग इज स्लिपिंग, 45 नहीं 30 सेंटीमीटर था, एंड स्लिपिंग बाई 15 सेंटीमीटर। द सेम वे कि फिलिंग 3 यूनिट्स एंड एम्पटिंग 1 यूनिट, द सेम वे वो भी क्वेश्चन था कि जंपिंग 30 सेंटीमीटर एंड स्लिपिंग फॉर 15 सेंटीमीटर्स। सो हाउ मच टाइम, इन हाउ मेनी जंप्स दैट फ्रॉग विल कम आउट ऑफ द वेल। सो उसमें भी वी नीड टू सब्सट्रैक्ट फर्स्ट जंप लाइक 30 सेंटीमीटर। लास्ट जंप पे इफ 30 सेंटीमीटर पे दैट फ्रॉग इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ द वेल, दैट फ्रॉग विल नॉट स्लिप। सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, विल सी दैट। अच्छा, राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन। Two pipes A and B can fill a tank. Sorry, two pipe A and B can fill a tank in 40 and 45 minutes respectively. हाँ, 40 and 45 minutes respectively. And drain pipe C can empty 15 liters per minute. 15 liters per minute. 15 liters per minute. If all three working together, if all three working together can fill the tank in 24 minutes, can fill the tank in 24 minutes, then what is the capacity of the tank? What is the capacity of the tank? 2750, 2500, 2400, 2700. So this is the question. So this is the last variation of pipes and systems, जिसमें volume is given liters में। लीटर्स में ऑप्शन है। 2400. Just think this way, like we have 40, 45 and 15. First we can take LCM. What LCM we are getting? 360 आ रहा है LCM. So we can say कि 360 unit is the total capacity of the tank. 360 units. And इस units को we need to convert in liters. So 360 units is the total capacity of the tank. Then we'll try to go for this A, B and C की efficiency. कैलकुलेटर से तो नहीं कैलकुलेट किया? See here, इसमें it is given कि C is emptying the tank 15 liters per minute. So if we can calculate कि how much time C will take to empty the tank. If we are able to calculate this, कि like C is taking 100 minutes to completely empty the tank. तो 100 1 minute में 15 liter, 100 minute में 1500. This way, I'm just showing you the way. कहाँ पे? हाँ, 24 minutes. तो अरे माइनस है तो फिर वो 15 हो जाएगा ना. सी की एफिशिएंसी क्या हो जाएगी? इस पे नहीं आया. नॉट दिस. लीटर्स वाले पे दे हैव नॉट आस्क्ड. बट दिस इज कितना आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है. सो वेयर आर यू स्टक? लाइक आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दिस. लीटर वाले पे सी की एफिशिएंसी यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड. व्हाट इज दैट? 2. सी ईयर. कुछ आया? सी की एफिशिएंसी किसी ने निकाला? सी ईयर. We have these numbers 40, 45, 15. So LCM is coming 360. So we can say कि total capacity is 360 units. Then what will be the efficiency of A, B, C? 40, 45, 15. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 9. और ये कितना हो जाएगा? 7. नहीं. 6, 15. C का 15 नहीं है लेकिन ना. C का we don't know. यहीं पे फंस रहा है मामला. C का we don't know. But what we know? A plus B minus C. हाँ. अच्छा, अब देख ही लेते हैं. तो ये इतना आ गया हमारा. कितना? 50. ठीक है. A प्लस बी प्लस सी 24. 24 मिनट्स. इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन मिनट्स में जो दिया है दैट वी कैन राइट. तो ये कितना हो गया? 360 यूनिट्स 24 मिनट्स ले रहा है. तो ये वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 12. ये हो गई 12. सो टोटल सब ठीक है. ये क्या लिखा है हमने? ये सही लिखा है? 45 into 6, 360 we are getting. What we are getting? ये तो 8 आएगा ना. अब ये आएगा 15. तो आंसर ही सारा गलत हो जाता. ये आएगा 15. दिस इज 9, 40, 360 बाई 40, 9, 360 बाई 45, 8, 360 बाई 24, 1, 6, 6, 2, 5, 15. दिस इज क्लियर. दिस इज ठीक है. नाउ इट इज गिवन a plus b minus c. If all the three are working for 1 minute, they will complete how many units? 15. 15 होगा कि नहीं होगा? This will be 15. See this. If all the three are working, they are taking 24 minutes to fill the tank. All the three are working, they are taking 24 minutes to fill this 360 units capacity. So what is the efficiency of all the three together? 15 units per minute. 15 units per minute. So all the three are working for 1 minute. They are working 15 units. A का we have already calculated 9, B का 8, C का यहां से आएगा. What value C will have? C की वैल्यू 9, 8, 17. 17 minus 2 is 15. C की वैल्यू 2. That means C is equal to 2. C की efficiency is 2. That means 2 units per minute. 2 units per minute is the efficiency of C. अब आ गया आंसर. C की efficiency we have calculated 2 units per minute. So total we have for C 2 units in 1 minute. 1 unit it will take 1 by 2. So total 360 units hai. It will take 360 into 1 by 2, 180 minutes. 180 minutes C will take to completely empty the tank. 180 minutes. If C is taking 180 minutes to empty the tank, it is given also in the question कि किस रेट से C empty कर रहा है. 15 लीटर पर मिनट. 15 लीटर पर मिनट. सो 1 मिनट में C empty कर रहा है 15 लीटर्स. इन हाउ मेनी मिनट्स कंप्लीटली empty कर रहा है? 180 मिनट्स में. सो दैट इज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द टैंक. कितना आ गया ये? 2700. मुश्किल क्वेश्चन था. लास्ट वेरिएशन थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था, बट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगना है इसमें. सी हियर. इसको लिख लो एक बार. मुश्किल है. हाँ, सी दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस लाइक द सेम पैटर्न पे इफ दे आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन सेम वे वी कैन लाइक at the end we can at the end if we are having some time we can attempt these questions, otherwise we can leave. Yes. हाँ हाँ, फिर से बता रहा हूँ मैं. शुरू से. So we have 360 units total capacity of the tank. A is filling the tank in 40 minutes. B is filling the tank in 45 minutes. C is emptying the tank with this rate 15 liters per minute. So how much time C is taking, we don't know. How much time C is taking, we don't know. And it is also given, if all the three are open together, 24 minutes it will take to completely fill the tank. Then what is the capacity of the tank? It is the question. So we'll go with the conventional way. 360 units, A, B, minutes में it is given. So we can calculate what is the efficiency of A and B. It is coming 9, 8. But C की time is not given. But what is given? If all the three are working together, that time is given. So all the three, A, B and C together, what are their efficiencies? Together, that we can calculate. They are taking 24 minutes. So together, all three, we have efficiency of 15 units. 15 units की efficiency आ रही है per minute. So after then, next step में we calculate if all the three are working together, 1 minute में what work will be done? So 1 minute में what work will be done if all the three are working? हमने already calculated 15 units. 15 units. So this way we add A plus B minus C, because C is emptying the tank. 9 plus 8 minus C is equal to 15. So C की value is coming 2. A की value 9, B 8, C की 2. So यहाँ पे एक एरो बना के C बना सकते हैं. C की efficiency है 2 units per minute. This we can write. यहाँ पे फंस गया मामला कुछ. ठीक है, C की efficiency आ गई 2 units per minute. अगर C की efficiency 2 units per minute है, तो how much time C will take to complete this tank? 360 by 2. 180 minutes होगा तभी तो ये आएगा. 360 by 180 तभी तो आएगा 2. करेक्ट. So 180 minutes में C will completely empty the tank. 180 minutes में C will completely empty the tank. If 180 minutes में C is completely emptying the tank, it is given here in the question कि 15 liters per minute की rate से C is emptying the tank. So 1 minute में C is emptying 15 liters. So 180 minutes में how many liters will go out? 180 into 15. 2700 liters will go out. That means 2700. This is the total capacity of the tank. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है ये, but this is the last variation, so I thought कि इसको भी discuss कर ही लेते हैं. So difficult questions we are discussing in the class. अगर simpler questions are coming in the examination paper, तो that is like okay, ठीक है. यहाँ पे simple करके जाओ, वहाँ पे difficult आए, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. So this way we need to see कि difficult questions भी करना है हमें. ठीक है, आ गया 2700. इसमें बस यही समझना था कि अगर ये वाला चीज कि C is emptying 15 liters per minute, so if we are able to calculate कि how much total time C is taking to empty the tank, तो we can calculate कि what is the capacity of the tank. तो हमें पता चल गया कि C is taking 180 minutes. 180 minutes में पूरा टैंक खाली हो जा रहा है. तो विल सी कि 180 मिनट्स में कितना लीटर खाली हो रहा है. दैट विल बी द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द टैंक. सो दैट विल बी आवर आंसर. आ रहा है समझ में? कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ चल रहा है? ठीक है, ओके. तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था ये. बाकी विल स्टार्ट टाइम, स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस नेक्स्ट क्लास में. व्हेन इज आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास? आफ्टर दिवाली. चलो तो फिर हैप्पी दिवाली आप लोगों को.